Hello guys, welcome to the another tutorial video. Today we are going to see how to create this panel and also the stroke effect. So how to do this? This is the button that we have created in the previous video. If you want to know how to create this button, please check that video and get back here. Okay, let us continue. Okay, to group this button, select all the elements and then control G for grouping. So let's create now a panel which matches this button style and color. I'm going to hide this layer for now. um, let's just create one rectangle, make it somewhat bigger. Okay, so here I have applied a stroke gradient. So for this fill color, just basically apply some colors. I'm going to just quickly change all these colors. Okay, for now this is okay, I think. Alright, copy the rectangle and paste it. Okay, paste, control shift V. To switch this stroke and fill, just swap this color, select the stroke, make this to some, okay, 15 value is enough. It's already applied. Not that. Okay, I'm going to lock this layer. Select this one, stroke. Simply add two colors for now. Think this is enough. Okay. See, there are three stroke options available here. What this means? See, this is changing and this is changing. Can see the difference. To get this kind of gradient stroke means you have to select this one as center stroke. If you select other than center stroke means it won't get applied. See, I'm normally selecting this one. If you select the stroke to this one means these two option will get hidden. So to get that option means you have to select center stroke so that we can apply this gradient. So I'm selecting this. you duplicate the stroke layer, copy and paste, and make this stroke to dash line. Also, change the color. I'm going to adjust the dash lines. Mm, this is also looking good. Adjust the gap and dash as you wish. This is looking good. Okay. Yeah, fine. Also, to give the depth for this stroke, I'm going to select this back stroke. This one, this stroke. Okay. And I'm going to apply effect for the stroke, drop shadow. um, Make this to normal and select appropriate color since we are making this in orange. So I'm going to select a dark red tone. Okay, and then we don't need the offset, so just keep that to 0 and increase the blur amount so you can see the depth inside. Yeah, so we have created here a golden looking panel. See? This is how I created this one also. You can see the colors here. See. Bring our button to the top of this one. The size. Wow, this is already looking awesome. So this is how you can create game UI elements using gradient tool in Illustrator. So you can create like these assets easily using only this gradient tool. There are so many options here. Also, in coming tutorials, I will explain about how to use this gradient adjusting gradient angle to create like this effect, and also how to create like this gradient and how to create this kind of gradient. So these are all, I've just created everything using only this gradient tool. So the detailing, the creation is matters. Here I have added more glow effects like this. This is also gradient. See, I just simply applied white color and applied a radial gradient here. Linear means it will look like this. Radial means it will look like this. Hmm. So can add details as much as possible. Add glow effects like this. How to create this kind of gradient. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment sections. I'm ready to help you. Okay, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.